City of Oklahoma City, dog pound, animal welfare facility. And of course, no firearms allowed. And that's in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. So that's their animal viewing hours. Let's go look at some animals. Hi, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, fine. I was going to look around a little bit.
Are you want to look at dogs?
Yeah, I'll probably go back and look at some animals here in a moment.
Yeah. And then Christina, the one that is going to help you. Yeah. Thanks for helping me.
You guys have a great day.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess I'll go look at the animals, the dogs.
If you go up the ramp to the left, is our main adoption room. All of the dogs have blue cards.
All right, thank you. Hello. Well, it does not smell good in here. Oh, I'm just looking at the animals. I bet you'd be a good guard dog, wouldn't you? Go ahead and blaze through here quickly, so I'm sure we won't have any problems out of the dogs, and we'll see how they handle it when I leave here. I don't think he liked being photographed. Kid-friendly dog there. Friendly. This guy right here. Next we'll go look at the cats for all you cat lovers. Hello. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great. All right, we'll go out here and look for 3 more rooms. There are a lot of dogs here.
Did you find an animal you'd like to visit with?
I'm still looking.
Okay.
Yeah, they said there's 3 more rooms down here.
Yes.
So that's going to take a minute.
And look for the blue pieces of paper. If they don't have one of these blue pieces of paper, they're not ready yet.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Now I know what they mean by the blue pieces of paper. Well, here's where the cats are.
Usually we do.
So far, the interaction has been very positive. Spay and neuter your dogs. A lot of medium-sized dogs being thrown away.
Hey, how's it going, sir?
Doing great. How are you?
Good. The only video we can record is of the adoptable dogs, the blue quarter dogs. Everything else is possibly owned by somebody, so it's private property.
Oh, well, it's in a public area, right? This is a public area?
It's a public area, but the dogs are privately owned, so you can't record anything but the blue-corded dogs.
Okay. All right, I'll try to keep that in mind. All right, I appreciate that. Yeah. So he said you can only videotape or video the dogs that are up for adoption. The other dogs are private property and cannot be videoed. A very strange rule. So if you can videotape somebody's property, such as a car, in the public, or if they're walking their dog in public, I would assume that the same rules would apply. Okay, we'll go look at some other dogs. Hi, how you doing?
How are you?
Doing good.
Have you been let know
About what?
the recording part?
He said videotape the dogs that have a blue tag.
Okay,
Yeah, so
making sure.
none of the dogs have complained yet.
Well, it's a legality that you have to keep in mind since the white dogs are still in their stray holds.
Okay.
So, like, they still have the chance for their owners.
Yeah, hopefully their owners will come back and get them.
We're hoping, and I always keep that hope.
All right, well, I appreciate it. I'll go look around a little bit more.
Alright, we have 2 more rooms down this
This
way.
way?
And the dog room only is in that room down there.
Okay. All right, thank you.
They're my earmuffs.
They're hers.
Huh, very strange. A very strange rule that you can't videotape a dog in public that is stray. found animals. Well, the dogs have not complained about having their pictures taken. Well, I don't know. Some of them have. They've been barking at me, so maybe they are complaining. Look at all these animals. Hello. Well, they've got them riled up in there. Let's go look at some cats. Dogs of the week.
No, not really this time. I just meant to ask that question. Was a dog.
A lot of missing dogs and cats. Might check your Chinese restaurant. Check them in holding pens in the back of your local Chinese restaurant. And we're back to the front again.
Check my vet, and like I said, he does have a computer chip, so he does have one of
Yeah,
those.
he's good.
So what do they?
Hello.
Just say Village or Yukon or Bethany was Bethany would be good. I'm like right at the dividing line, Bethany, Oklahoma City, Yukon. Across the street, I'm in Yukon. I go this one in Bethany. Do they, when they pick dogs up, do they always check?
Let's learn about feral
I
cats
know we do.
in Oklahoma City.
We should.
They may be a little different than feral cats in, let's say, Tulsa.
Bethany first, and then Yukon. My neighborhood association still ain't on it. I just hope if something's found,
Now these are real life cats.
every morning, so Sunday he's had it, so this is Friday, he had it next week, so I'm sure he's had it by now, so someone's got it.
Some more real life cats.
I mean, they are really.
Maybe they're real live cats,
Mabu's is a
as opposed to the ones in the back
You write that down.
that they euthanized.
Okay, like I said,
That's what I thought. That's a rabbit.
website. Lost and found, blah, blah.
Funny looking
I
cat.
think the last time it was updated was like
yeah.
July something.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I'm waiting.
Well, your little cute little Easter bunny, they grow up and become rabbits.
Here's your camera back.
Cat receiving. This is where they receive the cats.
Oh, sir, those are not available to be seen.
Okay. Yeah, that's why you can't see through the thing, I guess.
Yeah.
Y'all probably stay really busy bringing animals in.
Yeah, we do.
All right. Well, y'all have a nice day. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. I'll call that a pass. Even though they are...
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Protecting the identity of stray dogs and cats. Don't know about that, but yeah, I think it's quite hilarious. But this is News Now OKC, News Now Oklahoma City, clearing up another audit. Have a nice day.